Hey folks, Akhil from WM Originals back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted data like photos, videos or documents on Windows 11. Well, there are many instances when we delete our important data intentionally or by mistake, but what if we need our data back? Well, we can recover our deleted data, and today in this video I will share a complete step-by-step tutorial to recover permanently deleted photos, videos or documents on Windows 11. So watch this video full, and by the end of this video you will also be able to recover deleted photos, videos or documents. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, do subscribe and hit bell icon and watch this biggest giveaway and tutorial from me at WM Originals for a chance to win $100 Amazon gift card. So now let's begin and know how to recover deleted data on Windows 11, and for this we will be using Tenorshare FortiDisk data recovery software. You can recover various data types from computer with Tenorshare FortiDisk Windows data recovery tool. No matter what you have lost, FortiDisk file recovery software is capable of restoring lost files such as images, videos, music files, email, office documents and compressing files without any hassle. FortiDisk data recovery is do-it-yourself data recovery process as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just select, scan and recover. Let's give it a try and know how to download FortiDisk data recovery software and install it. Click on free download and it starts downloading. Once done, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the process to complete it. And once done, click on start to open FortiDisk Windows data recovery software. Here is FortiDisk Windows data recovery software. Simple and easy UI to begin with. From here we can choose the location from where we want to recover files. Here we have devices and drives connected with my laptop. Next we have common locations such as desktop, recycle bin, and here we can select a folder to recover data from a specific folder. Next we have advanced repair options. Let's try to recover data from one of my drives. I have connected a pen drive to my laptop and here it shows up in FortiDisk Windows data recovery software. Now let's open pen drive and here I have few photos, documents and videos. Let's delete them. Once done, let's see if FortiDisk data recovery software can recover them or not. Here we are back to FortiDisk Windows data recovery software. Now selected the drive to recover deleted data from it. Next click on start. Now here we need to select what type of files do we want to recover. As we want to recover all type of data, let's not change anything. You can select any specific data type to make the recovery process faster. Next click on scan all file types. It starts looking for deleted data and within seconds it starts showing up previously deleted data. Now here we can see all our 4 files being listed here. We can also preview them by clicking on them. Let's open these photos and then this video. Wow, it shows full preview. Let's see this merged document. All my deleted files are discovered by FortiDisk. Now that I have found my deleted files, I can stop scanning process or let it complete. Let's allow it to complete, and after some time, quick scan completes, listing many more previously deleted files. Now here it will automatically begin deep scan. So if your data is not found after quick scan, let deep scan get completed and you will surely get your data. But it will take much more longer to complete scanning. Once scan completes, we can select the files we want to recover. Selected these 4 files. Next click on recover. Now we need to select location where we want to recover files. Let's select desktop and click on recover. Data recovery starts and within seconds it comes up with a message recovery completed. Click on view recovered and it opens a folder containing all our recovered files. Now we can browse through and then preview all our recovered data. They are 100% fully recovered in their original size. That's fantastic work from FortiDisk data recovery software, and that is why FortiDisk is the best data recovery software 2022. Well, you can always try FortiDisk for free, but if you want to recover your deleted data, you will require a plan. So let's talk about Tenorshare FortiDisk pricing. Here we are back on official FortiDisk website, and now let's click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans for FortiDisk Windows data recovery software. FortiDisk data recovery is also available for Mac, and we can see pricing for the same by clicking on go to Mac. You can select the plan as per your requirement, and the best thing is that here we have the Spring Steel coupon code which we can use to get 30% off on all Tenorshare products including FortiDisk data recovery recovery software. I will highly recommend you to try out TenoChef for data recovery software for Windows and Mac if you are looking to recover your deleted data, and if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also, do share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to Development Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Also, if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.